Hello, friends. Let us go for another part of the grammar in English, that is question tag. Question tag, what exactly it is question tag? A short question against a given sentence. A short question against a given sentence. To understand the question tag, we need to understand four factors. First one is type of sentence, namely affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and imperative mood sentence. When we want to make a question tag, we put the question tag. So first we have to recognize given sentence is an affirmative sentence or negative sentence or imperative mood sentence. After that, we have to understand what is the tense of the sentence. Tense of the sentence. Why tense of the sentence? Because from the tense we will determine what is the auxiliary verb to be used. Like if a sentence is given here, science is the backbone of development. This sentence is a simple present tense sentence, and here is the verb. So this will be used for the question tag. Isn't, is, and the apostrophe contraction isn't it. Of course, the whole rule we are going to. Suppose as another sentence, teachers take care of students. Teachers take care of students. So again a simple present tense sentence. And the subject is plural number. We always decide the auxiliary verb according to the number of the subject. As it is plural number as well as simple present tense, so auxiliary verb is do. And with the apostrophe contraction, it will become don't they. Teachers take care of students, and short question, don't they, and after that question mark. So second point is tense of the sentence we have to recognize to determine what auxiliary verb we are going to use. Third one is apostrophe or contraction. In case of negative sentence, we only use the auxiliary verb. So contraction is not used. Apostrophe contraction is not used. But when the sentence is affirmative, in that case, we have to use the apostrophe of contraction, that is, isn't, don't, didn't, haven't, hasn't, so on. And next one is question mark at the end of the sentence. After question tag, this question mark is a must. So altogether four rules are there. First, recognize the type of the sentence. Second, tense of the sentence. Third, apostrophe of contraction. If the negative sentence is there, it won't be there. If it is positive sentence, then contraction will be used. Then last we have to put question mark after question tag. One more thing, how to write it, how to present it. Whatever sentence is given very first, that sentence should be written completely, complete sentence. This sentence is given, doctors do not give unnecessary medicine. This is a negative sentence. So only we need to take auxiliary verb, that is do, and contraction, and will not come, only do, they. If negative sentence is there, then only auxiliary verb and pronominal form of the subject. So this is do, they. Here we wrote full sentence. Doctors do not give unnecessary medicine, comma, do they. One more sentence written here. India has never attacked any country. Now, here the sentence is negative, never. So we have to just recognize the auxiliary verb, that is has, and then India's pronominal form we have to write here. India is feminine, she. So has, she, question mark. Then it is few sentences written here regarding the imperative mood sentence. We understood affirmative and negative. But in imperative mood sentence, we have got a different rule for that. Go home. Go home is an instruction. It is imperative mood. In imperative mood sentences, the subject you is always silent. Just we write will you. In all the imperative mood sentences, we use will you. Please give me your notebook for a day. It's a request, it's an imperative mood sentence. Will you. Do not disturb me. That is, will you. Do obey your parents. Will you. Take care of your belongings. Will you. Remove your footwear outside. Will you. In case of imperative mood sentences, we need to put question tag will you. With this, we are clear enough about the question tag. Once again, I give the review. In order to add a question tag in a sentence, we have to make a short question against a given sentence. So recognize the type of sentence first, namely affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and imperative mood sentence. Affirmative sentence, then the apostrophe contraction will be used with and. If negative sentence is there, only we will take the auxiliary verb of the sentence and the pronominal form of the subject. Then apostrophe of contraction, of course we discuss according to the sentence, we have to decide it whether and is there or not. Tense of the sentence, we must have to determine what is the tense of the sentence, because we have to get the correct auxiliary verb. If it is, my friends have helped me in my time. So have helped, auxiliary verb is have. So have and then apostrophe of contraction, haven't they. India has defeated the enemies number of times. Hasn't she is a present perfect tense. So has is the auxiliary verb, hasn't she. Last one is we have to give the question mark after the question tag. And presentation is first write down the full sentence. After the sentence give comma, then the question tag, and then the question mark. This way we come to an end for the question tag. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.